Right, today we're going to bring a very powerful LED light. This is for outdoor graded. It's well sealed, well protected. This is plastic. It has the 3 connections. You got ground, hot, and neutral. And then this was actually up to 300 watts. And AC is going to be 100 to 120, up to 6500, which is 6500K on this one. And lumens is going to go up to 30,000 lumens. All right, so it's all aluminum base, so it has that the heat shield here, which is the radiator to disperse the actual heat if it gets hot. Outdoors, you don't have no issue. Mounting is very simple. Just drill the 2 holes in here, get your cable out to your main system, and you should be good. So we're gonna mount this today and see how well it works. Not too much, enough there. Okay, we're gonna tie these a little bit more stronger, and then we set up one in the back so nice and fit, but 2 more tight, and then we're gonna see how bright it is at night. Light, guys, look at how much light we're getting here. Very powerful light, too bright for the actual camera, so we're gonna try to step back as much as we can. And you guys seen it, how dark it was in here, but look how much it's lighting up. So right now we're at 32, 33. We're gonna go underneath of it. We're gonna right underneath of it. Look at this, we're at close to 3,000. all right, the light sensor here, and this thing is super bright, so we're hitting 3,000 right where I'm standing. I'm gonna pull back a little bit because it is bright and still to this light, so you can see the light meter, how much we're actually illuminating here, which is really bright, close to 4,000.